So you're watching this video because you answered number 2 incorrectly about finding a common ratio of two non-consecutive terms in a geometric sequence. So in order to do this, first we're going to have to actually draw this to illustrate the sequence. So we have U1, U2, U3, U4. So the second term, you can label this one U2 because we're given it, is 5. And U4 is going to be 45 over 4. So first what we're going to have to do is modify this sequence. So we're going to draw a box around the given terms that we have. And we're going to make this first term over here, we're going to want to make this U1. This way we have a term to put into our formula for finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. Now if this is U1, then this is now going to become U3. From here, what we're going to do is plug it into the equation. So we want to list our variables out. So we have U1 is equal to 5. We have UN is now going to equal that fourth term of 45 over 4. And N is now equal to 3 based off of our modification. So when we go ahead and plug it into the finding an nth term formula, we're going to have 45 over 4. Is equal to our new U1, which is 5, times R, which is what we're looking for, to the N minus 1, or just 3 minus 1. From there, what we're going to do is simplify the exponent on the right-hand side. So we're going to have 45 over 4 again is equal to 5R squared. Then in order to solve for this, my next step algebraically is going to be to divide by 5 on both sides. So on the left-hand side, you're going to get 9 over 4 is equal to R squared. And then in order to get rid of the squared, what we're going to do is square root both sides. And we're going to find that when we square root in our calculator, we're going to get 3 over 2 as our common ratio value. And that's how we find the common ratio. From there, if it asks you to move forward, you would then just have to reset and find U1, the actual U1 of this purple sequence up here, and use that in your formula to find any other term that they might be asking you to find. Now go ahead and try number 2 in the Google form again.